Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. So we were having a hard time getting the 3-inch Flow Easy filters. They've been having some issues up there, supply chain suppression, maybe COVID-19, whatever. So I took it upon myself to build my own filters. The 3-inch was the hardest to get a hold of. You know, the 2.5 and the 2-inch are commonly very easy to get a hold of. But the 3-inch is a custom built filter. So, you know, I didn't want to wait, and I put in a back order a year and a half ago through John Don. And you think they would have been able to get a hold of these? Well, no. They've been sending me emails saying that there's back ordered for over a year and a half. The same email that goes to my email box. And so I decided, you know what? Enough is enough on this one. I need tank filters, and I can't wait. I got a lot of Blue Baron sales going on and a lot of truck mount sales, tank sales, the whole bit, and I needed to have these made, so I decided to make them. And the only difference is the cap's a little different. They use a stainless inversion cap here. This was a Flow Easy from Michigan. And this is the one that I built. It's 8.5, just like this one, and this is 12.5. But they're 3-inch, and that's the most important part of it, because I want maximum flow going back. As you can see, we use a 3-inch female here that we can push it down to a smaller, but we like to go into the 3-inch. We don't want a 2.5. We don't want a 2-inch, and that's why our systems have such great dry times. It's not only we build our truck mounts with true pipe convention designed for the blower size, but we make sure we're using a 3-inch opening rather than being slaved down to a 2.5. 2.5 is a common filter. 3-inch is not. There's not really one place in the U.S. that really has any. So we decided to build our own, and it was a painstaking process, but I did it. I had to buy special equipment in order to do this, the spot welding and the way that I needed to do in order to get this to be constructed professionally and in the right way. So here we are with 12.5, 8.5. We can cut them down in between sizes. If you needed longer one, we could have one built at our other factory shop where we do all our building for special parts like the inline filter box, which is a design that I came out with about a year and a half, 2 years ago. We also are the builder of the marine tanks, rectangular tanks, heavy gauge marine aluminum with anti-slosh and migration channel at the bottom. And we have the pump outs. So we got all the pump out features on this unit, including drain. And we always basically start with, we can make this a 2.5 inlet. We can make this a 4 size for a 59 blower. So if you wanted a 4-inch or a 56 size, either way, we can make this a 4-inch. This is currently a 3-inch, which is designed for the max fit for a 47 blower. But then again, we put bushings on to go down to 45, which is a 2.5, and the 36, or down to a 2. But we at Blue Baron are building all kinds of accessory packages. We're working outside the box. Tired of getting the same email from John Don, so a couple months back I decided to build my own 3-inch filters, which are hard to come by. So I decided to do it, get it done, and be available to the marketplace for anyone that needs a 3-inch filter. Call us today at 727-505-2989, or if you're interested also in our truck mount, Blue Baron truck mounts, we have 7 models. But either way, call us today, and also go on our website, 24/7, truckmountstore.com. My name is Pete Garland. Give us a call. Thank you.